Hey there, Mike with AWM Water Features here. We are at the site of a really cool water feature. This is probably one of the oldest water features I've ever seen. It dates back to probably the 1940s, maybe early 50s. Just want to show you what we got going on here. We're looking to restore this water feature and try to get it back up and running. So we have the skimmer. We're going to make a compartment right in the back side of this cement pond here, and we're going to create another compartment on the back side for the skimmer to go in. Now the tricky thing is that the overflow, if we have to, we're going to have to drill through the concrete wall to get an overflow out. But we were wondering what this standpipe here was for, and we surmised that it was actually an overflow. And sure enough, we put some water down there, and it is in fact an overflow. So we are going to connect the overflow of the skimmer to the standpipe, and we'll be good to go for excessive water situations. So this is the back of the skimmer. We have the overflow coming right out of here, and a bunch of attachments to get us down to the standpipe right here that heads underneath the cement pond and then out. So we are this cement lip here of the pond here. They had taken field stones and cemented those onto the top to form an edge. And what we're going to do is we're taking this old stuff out, this old nasty looking stuff, and we're going to bring in some new nice looking rocks to edge all the way around. So a really interesting thing that we discovered when we pulled some of these cobblestones that were concreted together is that we have this huge gap back behind the wall that's, oh man, it's anywhere from 6 to 15 inches deep. Must be just where everything eroded out, but we're in the process right now of filling that in. Eric's bringing some topsoil, fill that in and get that landscaped a little bit better. Speaking of erosion, I was walking right through here up to the pond and stepped right here and sunk about a foot down in a little sinkhole. So whatever's going on here, certainly a lot of erosion going on. But yeah, a really cool project. We're looking forward to how this is going to turn out. Going to have to come back in the spring to finish some things. But if you like this video, please like it and share it, and we'll see you in the next video.